what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make the creamiest, super healthy aloe vera and avocado hair butter. So this butter is packed with nutrients and vitamins that your hair will love. Okay, so definitely keep on watching if you're looking to grow your hair with this amazing DIY product. So this is a recipe that I formulated myself actually, and I will put the exact measurements and instructions in the description box, okay? So the first ingredient is shea butter, and this is like a rather soft butter that melts super quick, and I love shea butter as a base for my hair products, and also because of its moisturizing and anti-breakage properties, okay? So shea butter contains vitamin A and E along with essential fatty acids, which softens dry and brittle hair and repairs split and damaged ends as well. And the next ingredient I'm going to add is avocado butter. So I love me some avocado butter, girl. This is a hard butter, and avocado butter is extracted from the fruit, avocado of course, and avocado butter is made through a process called hydrogenation. It is through this process that unsaturated fats are converted into a solid product that gives an amazing butter. So I actually lost the footage where I was scooping out the butter and adding it in my cup, but as you can see, it's the white butter, okay? The yellow one is shea butter. So avocado butter also contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help keep your hair strong and healthy. And the next star of the show is aloe vera butter. And I know you probably thought I was going to take out an aloe vera leaf and just put it in my product, but no, sis, that's the worst thing you can do when it comes to formulating a product, okay? This butter is actually a very runny butter, as you can see, because it contains coconut butter / oil and a good amount of aloe vera juice, okay? So this butter is produced by infusing aloe vera juice into refined coconut oil or coconut butter. And to accelerate and complete the extraction, the mixture is heated up to a certain temperature, and then the product is cooled, and the thick butter is formed into a smooth butter like this, as you can see. So that's why it comes in a flask, and that's why I have to pour it in my cup, okay? So in summertime, this butter is rather runny, and in wintertime, this is like a very solid butter. So yeah, it's pretty interesting, and I love to formulate with this ingredient. I'm also adding some jojoba oil. This is rich in vitamins and minerals that nourish hair, including vitamin C, B, and E. It has copper in it and zinc. And because it strengthens hair, it is also thought that jojoba oil can prevent hair loss and promote hair thickness, which is a good thing, right? That's why I'm adding it. And next up is sweet almond oil. Not only does it help with hair strands, hydrating hair strands, it also has amazing benefits for the scalp as well. It delivers intense moisture that prevents hair from drying out. And also vitamin E that will prevent my butter from going rancid. Important. So I'm also adding a few drops of an all-natural cosmetic fragrance oil. I chose this one with an oriental scent of amber and vanilla, my name, okay? It smells so good, okay? But you can use like any essential or fragrance oil that you like, okay? So this is how the mixture looks like. Normally I would just like combine all of my ingredients all in one bowl, but because my scale was acting up, I had to measure most of my ingredients separately. So yeah, just don't make unnecessary dishes like I did. Just, you know, put them all together. It's so much easier. So the next step is to melt the butters in the oil in bain-marie style. So I put my cup in a boiling pot of water, and that preserves the nutrients and vitamins, and it doesn't burn my formula. So definitely don't put this in the microwave or put this straight onto the fire, because it will definitely mess up your formula and it will just remove all the healthy vitamins and nutrients from your hair butter. Okay, so once all your butters and oils are melted and well combined, I put them in a bowl and I let it cool off in the fridge until it becomes solid, okay? Just make sure to check it every once in a while that the butter doesn't become rock hard like mine again. I left it in a little too long, and that makes the whipping process just a bit harder and messier than normal. It's no problem, okay? It's okay, but it just makes it a little bit more difficult, but it's okay. I use an electric whisk to whip up my butter, and I feel like this is definitely the best tool to whip up small batches of hair butter. If I want to whip up like a big batch of hair butter, I would definitely use my big KitchenAid. Okay, I definitely don't recommend using a hand whisk because that will take a lot of time and your arms will hurt like crazy. Don't use a blender, don't use a food processor, don't use a stick blender because that's just not the same, okay? And not to forget, I also recommend whipping the butter in a big bowl. As it increases volume, the longer you whip. As you can see, I started off with like a small batch kind of, but it will definitely be doubled in volume once I'm done whipping. And this is how the end product looks like. A super fluffy, nutrient and vitamin rich aloe vera and avocado hair butter. So I actually have been using this butter for months now on my hair and as a sealant and for my protective hairstyles, and my hair just loves it. Okay, the texture is just amazing. It melts quickly and a little bit goes a long way. So I use it on my daughter's hair as well. She is a toddler, 2.5 years old, and girl, her hair is definitely longer and stronger right now since I've started using it. I've started using it since she was, I think, like 1 year or something like that, since she started to grow out her hair. So yeah, I'm going to show you how I use this product on my hair in my next video. So definitely stay tuned for that, okay? And I've gotten the question a few times already if I sell this product, if I want to make it for them and they're gonna pay me, you know. And you know, I've really been thinking about it because it's just an amazing product, okay? This is not like a scam or anything. This is just so much better than just regular shea butter on your hair as a sealant for your hair. Like, girl, this really helps with preventing breakage and retaining length. And also because, you know, these ingredients that I used are not available everywhere. I use specific sources. I'm not gonna, you know, put my direct sources because the sources that I use are from wholesalers that I work with. So I'm not going to expose my sources, obviously, because I'm planning to do this in the future maybe. But I can definitely put the links of where I would also buy my products, also legit products. I'm gonna do some research for you guys so you can make this at home. But some people just don't want to buy all these ingredients, these raw materials, because they are pretty expensive, especially the aloe vera butter. Like, it's not just a simple butter, right? So let me know what you think down below in the comment section of purchasing this butter maybe, and let me know if you want to try this recipe at home. Let me know if you tried it, and yeah, let me know if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.